Alright guys, I'm out here in my backyard testing my new Pathfinder reflector oven. I've been wanting a reflector oven for a long time, and I almost bought a couple of the old Boy Scout used ones off of eBay a couple times, but when Dave came out with this, I knew I wanted one, and I finally got around to getting one, and we're going to test it out. I'm hoping to get it out in the woods and try it out this year, making some different things, so stick with me. Put this thing together real quick. Run that off to the side. Got our two panels, a couple big panels. Got our middle shelf. We've got these two panels here. And for what this is fairly lightweight. I wouldn't want to backpack it in a long distance, but a couple miles, you know, if I had 4 or 5 miles, as long as I had room in my pack, and had planned on building a fire, I wouldn't have any problem backpacking this into a spot. Definitely if I was, you know, had a car, a kayak, anything like that. It's so thin, it don't take up much room. Alright, that's together. And this is the shelf that you bake on. And one thing I really liked about this one versus some of the other ones that are out there, about this design, is the fact that you can lift it up from the back to add and remove things without having to take it away from the fire and put it back. You can put it right up against the fire and you can still get to your stuff. So let me get a fire going and we'll get to it. Alright, we got a fire going. Let's, I'm using some canned cinnamon rolls, so let's go ahead and get them over there and get them in the oven. I'll let the oven preheat first, I think. Alright, go ahead and raise that up. Go ahead and put these in here. Just like that. Like the ones in the front are going to get done for the ones in the back. I could have done them, if I was doing an all-out fire, I could have done them, you know, done 4 and then 4, but I think this will work just fine. Let that down, and we'll get started. Alright, let's check on them a little bit. Now I have had to turn them some, didn't film that, but see the ones in the front are a little bit, and I've switched them to the back right here. But let's go ahead and pull, let's say that one right there out. Look at that. Let's pull that out, and then I'll test it. I'll put some icing on it, and we'll see how it is. All right, spread that out a little bit right there. Let's give it a taste. See if this one's quite done. That's good. That worked out great. It's not like a oven at home where you just set it and forget it till the timer goes off, but it sure does work well. Can't wait to take that out this summer on some of my longer camping trips, and maybe even some this winter for like biscuits and gravy, nice snacks like this, bread, things like that. That's an awesome design. Glad Dave brought it back, and it works well. Guys, if you stuck with me this long, thank you. I'll see you on the next one.